In this video, I'll be testing the FX Limit Apex Trend Indicator 100 times on the EURGBP pair using the M5 timeframe to see just how powerful and reliable this strategy really is. But before we dive into the results, let's quickly break down what makes this setup so interesting. EURGBP is known for its relatively stable yet technical behavior. It often respects key support and resistance levels and is heavily influenced by macroeconomic announcements from the UK and the Eurozone, including GDP reports, interest rate decisions, and inflation data. On the M5 timeframe, this pair provides enough price movement for short-term opportunities while avoiding the wild volatility seen in some other pairs. Now, the Apex Trend Indicator is built for this kind of environment. It's designed to catch high-probability trends with clean and simple buy and sell signals, blue for buys and orange for sells. What makes it stand out is its trend scanner, which gives you real-time insight into which pairs and timeframes are currently trending. In a signal dashboard that shows success rates, entry points, and TPSL levels. This tool works great on EURGBP because it helps cut through market noise and offers a clear view of the overall trend direction, especially helpful when price action is choppy. What's really smart about this indicator is how it calculates stop loss. Instead of using a fixed number of pips like many traders do manually, the Apex Trend uses a dynamic stop loss that adapts to the current market structure. It looks at support and resistance levels or uses an ATR multiplier, which means your SL is always placed at a logical point, far enough to avoid premature stop-outs but close enough to manage your risk efficiently. This makes it way better than just using a one-size-fits-all SL. The take-profit system is equally advanced. It also uses the average true range to dynamically adjust profit targets based on current volatility. So when the market is moving fast, your TP stretches out to capture more pips, and when it's calm, it adjusts accordingly. For traders who prefer a bit more predictability, there are options to set TP using a fixed risk/reward ratio or a manual point system. But the ATR method really shines in live markets because it aligns profit targets with real-time price behavior, increasing your chances of hitting realistic and meaningful profits. So we'll run this strategy 100 times and see how it performs on EURGBP M5. Stick around until the end to see the full backtest results. And if you're interested in trying this indicator for yourself, head over to fxlimit.com to learn more about the FX Limit Apex Trend Indicator and how it can help you trade smarter.